I am Cecil Stevens. I am the Vice President of Sales for Quality Fabrication and Supply, and I have a direct responsibility for the profitability of our mechanical fabrication facility. So we started mechanical pipe fabrication around 2010. The cost savings that we've experienced by utilizing the Vernon means that we're more affordable to our clients in the long run. We saw an opportunity to allow mechanical contractors to receive the same type of prefabricated systems as we do for sprinkler contractors. We started our mechanical pipe fabrication facility with that concept in mind. We wanted to allow a mechanical contractor to come in, say, hey, I need this piece, this long, this end prep, and I need it on the job site in 3 days, and I need your very best price. The accuracy in which the Vernon is able to profile the pipe has minimized our fit-up time. It's minimized our welding time. No longer are we fighting for the correct weld gaps. They're already there. All we have to do is clean the edges after the Vernon is done cutting, and we're off and ready to go. So Pipe Server is part of the package that came with the Lincoln Vernon.
I got the first two cut. Status, nested, ready to go.
It allows us to do a lot of the things that we're already familiar with in our sprinkler fabrication industry, where we can nest pipe, we minimize scrap. It produces the pieces that we're going to be cut one after another on a length of pipe. So it's dramatically decreased our scrap factor. The less amount of scrap that we have, the less we have to charge our customers for doing a fabricated job. In our shop, we use the most efficient tools and methods that we could possibly think of. We start at one side with raw pipe, and we end on the other side with finished pipe. The Vernon is in the middle, and it has greatly improved our productivity in the cut department, so much that we're actually a little more affordable to our customer now than we were before. Our old way of doing things, cutting pipe, cost us 6, 7, maybe 8,000 man-hours a year. We have reduced that down to just one guy or 2,000 man-hours a year. Now we can produce just as much pipe as we needed even 2 years ago. We're still doing it with one guy because we're utilizing the Vernon. In the past 2 years, we've doubled our revenue simply because our business model has been so attractive to mechanical contractors here in Central and South Florida. So there's no telling how many man-hours we would have had to put in the cut department to get that same amount of pipe done.